The Barrett STEAM Academy provides a hands-on exploratory program for students. They get to experience different types of technology that they might not get the chance to see in a typical classroom setting.
What I like about Barrett STEAM Academy is that at first I thought it was just going to be like school boring, but I get to see my friends. I get to build, create, and just get my mind running in the morning.
Students here at the Barrett STEAM Academy, they walk the halls of Humber, they see capstone projects that are being created, and they themselves are doing the same types of activities that students are engaging in post-secondary programs.
It sparks curiosity, and it helps them see themselves as future innovators before they even reach post-secondary. That kind of early access can be truly transformative.
My favorite project at the Barrett STEAM Academy was where we coded a robot with a color sensor. Some technologies I was introduced to was CNC machining, vacuum forming, and 3D modeling, as well as laser engraving.
My favorite part is whenever we build these 3D models, they print it out for us into these real-life models, and we get to take them home.
This program allows my son to hone in on those technology interests he can't learn at school, as well as socialize with other peers, make friends, and collaborate together. I see him in his element, and he really flourishes in that area.
Kids don't just need the academic learning, they also need the motor skills. You can bring your child here and give them the area to discover. The future is ahead of them, and they can learn many things which will be a stepping stone for their career as well.
It is very important at a very, very early age to inspire young kids to be future thinkers, to be future leaders. The Barrett STEAM Academy is all about opportunity. When students want to come to the Academy, we know we're doing something great.
Before the STEAM Academy, I wasn't sure where I want to go exactly. The Barrett STEAM Academy has also helped me gain more excitement and clarity about my career in STEAM that I want to get in the future.
Barrett STEM Academy has influenced my future because seeing all these people work here and having fun, helping us learn and build, shows me that there is opportunity in the future for me too.